Rice left over. As you guys can see, I can gain some weight. And I'm trying to get myself together. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. Sorry if you hear the noise in the background outside the grass, but it's 11:44, and today is a new day because I'm going to start. What a goal is for today is to start intermittent fasting or eating between a certain time frame. So my window eating is going to be between 11:30 and 7:30. The first thing I plan on having is a protein shake. I'm gonna have me a protein shake, and then I have some leftovers. I'm gonna have that for lunch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I might just eat some fruit for dinner. Then again, I don't know. I might pick me up something from somewhere and get me something to eat. Either way, we're gonna see. And plus today, guys, will be my first day back in the gym. I actually had set my alarm for 5 a.m. to get up to go to the gym this morning, but that didn't happen. So I'm gonna go sometime later today. And I want to make sure I've eaten my last meal before I go to the gym, because I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to go to the gym, work out, and then come home and eat. I want to go ahead and eat and have my food eaten by a certain time and then go to the gym. Now, the thing about it is I don't like working out after I've eaten, but I'm not going to be doing any jumping around. Like I said, this is going to be my first time getting back to the gym in months. It's been months. And so I'm just going to start off slow and yeah, just go from there. That's my plan. So today's video is what I eat in a day video. I hope everyone is doing well. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dionne. Welcome. My channel is basically about my life, Dionne's life. So it can be about me trying to start a challenge, a weight loss journey. It can be vlog style. Sometimes I do reviews on movies and TV shows. It just be a lot of things. What I eat in a day, 5 a.m. routine. It's just about my life, to be honest with you. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. And if you are a returning chat partner, I really appreciate you guys. I know I've been slacking. There's a lot been going on. Life has been lifing. And like the videos that I've been uploading that you guys will see before this one was filmed months ago. It's just, like I said, it's just been a lot been going on. But I'm getting back to it and getting back into the groove of things. So yeah, guys, it's time for me to get another haircut. That's what it's time for. Like, for real. My hair has grown back so fast. My hair has been on a big cut. I got my hair cut maybe No. 3 months ago. Almost 3 months ago. No, wait a minute. Almost 4 months ago. And my hair has grown back already. So I plan on getting it cut again. Getting it cut short. But I like the short style. I like it. I'm just going to wet it and mold it down. I'll probably wash it tonight when I get back from the gym, because it needs washing. So I'm just trying to, you know, put it down a little bit because, you know, to look like something. Yeah. All I used was some water, of course. And I used this Lotta Body with coconut and shea. What is it? Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. So that's what I used on my hair. To like make it lay down and be slick. I need me some more of those tie bands. I ran out. I might actually get some today. If by the time I go to the gym, hopefully it won't be too late, and hopefully the beauty supply store will still be open, I can get me some. I'm hoping. And if it is, then I'll get me some. If not, I might just have to get me some tomorrow. But I really do need me some wrap to go around my head. I hope y'all can see me pretty good. So I'm going to have a protein shake for breakfast. So I'm going to have this protein shake here. It's the Rockin' Protein Shake. shake, 30 grams of protein, lactose free, and it's a strawberry flavor. I really like this. I get these from Publix, and they usually do like 2 for $7, so they're like $3.50. I like the strawberry flavor. I like the vanilla. I've also tried the chocolate, but I go more for the strawberry flavor. I actually need to give me some more because it's the last one. And then I have this water jug that I opened a few days ago that I was drinking, you know, using this water, so I'm going to finish it up. But what I'm going to do is just drink out of this just to make it easier. I'm going to cut me up some limes and squeeze them in here. Possible, but make the least amount of mess that I can. I probably should squeeze some lime in there. That's what I probably should do. It's okay. Squeezing in there, not. Let me do the wrapper so it'll look pretty. But I don't. I ran out because if I had chlorophyll, I would put chlorophyll in here. I don't even know what I did with the top. Look at the top. That. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to take my protein shake. Okay guys, I hope you guys can see me. I need to bring my tripod out, but I gotta find it. But anyway, so what I like to do is I like to take my turmeric, and I'll take a scoopful of turmeric. Scoopful, put it in here. And then I'll take some pepper, some black pepper. Sorry if the light from the window is making a glare. I take some pepper. I use this, what is this, 1/4 teaspoon. And I'll put some pepper in there. And then what I'll do, I'll shake it up. I should have drunk some out of it beforehand. I normally do that, drink some out of it beforehand because it's like at the top still. We just stick this in here and stir it up inside. There we go. So this won't be up there. Shake it, you hear it shaking now. It's good. And plus I can hardly taste the turmeric in here and the pepper, and it's good. And the reason why I like these protein shakes is because they are refrigerated. I don't care too much. Well, I really haven't bought a protein shake that was on the shelf. I usually have the powder kind. I make my own. But since I discovered these, it's simple. And like I said, they be cold. Because I'm like, I be funny about liquid protein shakes on the shelf, but it got milk in it. What kind of milk is that? Either way, we gotta watch what we eat regardless. But yeah, this is good. So this is gonna be my breakfast water, my lemon water that I'm gonna drink for today. My goal is to get this down. This is a gallon. It's not even a gallon in here. So my goal is to get this down within 24 hours. It's currently 12:01 now. So I feel like as long as I have it completed by 12:01 tomorrow. Okay, y'all, it's lunchtime and I have some leftover egg fouillon.